Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look. It's like a kind of like a chit chat, get ready to move in a way, but yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look. And yeah, like my hair. I'm gonna have a video on this if I haven't already uploaded it. If I uploaded this hair video first, then I'll put it in a card. If I didn't, or this side, whichever side it's on, if I didn't, then I'll make sure to link it down below once I do upload it. But I'm sure the hair video is going to go up first, but I'm not sure. I used to wear my hair like this all the time. I stopped. I don't know why I stopped, but I did. Like, come on, it's back though. It's back, okay? But yeah, so yeah. And also this wig was only like $15, I want to say. It was no more than $20. No more than $20. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. It's super duper simple. Perfect for even, you know, back to school. If you just want to slap on some makeup and be like, ha, make it look like you did that, but you didn't do that much, okay? But you still did that. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this makeup look. And another car's right past, like hurry up. Another one, okay. Yeah, so let's just get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I like the new hair first of all. I'm gonna start back doing curly hair all the time, because y'all remember when I used to wear my curly hair? Been subscribed for a long time. I used to always wear curly hair. I have been wearing curly hair, but like I haven't been wearing like this big and this out there. So I like this. So I'm gonna start by wearing this. You go on some sites for a synthetic wig, you're about to pay like $100 or $80 for a synthetic wig, which I would never do. I don't think I could pay $80 for a synthetic wig. I have 6 minutes left on my timer where I'm supposed to finish with my makeup. I put it on for 30 minutes, but I just started my makeup like 5 minutes ago. It only took me 5 minutes to do my brows. All right, next I'm going to prime. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I haven't used it in a long time, but the other day, the last time I did my makeup, I used this, and I don't know, I just really liked how it looks. So I'm going to use it again, and hopefully it gives me that same effect that I had last time. Like, you know, like it was just, my makeup just looks flawless. It just looks so smooth and just pretty. This really does blur out everything. Like, this is crazy. I'm about to just repeat it and then just set for another 30 minutes. And by that time, I should be done with makeup. And what else do I do? Oh, what else do I do? I should be done with makeup and just put together. Yeah. And finish this video. That's why I woke up really early, because I wanted to film. I think I'm gonna start doing that more, just waking up really early, because it's like it just turned 8 o'clock, and if I wake up early I could really film. Natural lighting and a little light from my ring light. Just to think about in the mornings, that I feel like it's so many airplanes that ride past. Like, I have to pause so many times throughout the video because there's an airplane riding past, and they are so loud. When I go back edit and I'm talking while airplanes ride past, I'm just like, oh my gosh, why did I talk? Why was I talking? Why couldn't I just wait? Like, it makes so much noise, the airplanes. Now I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. This foundation is like one of my faves. Like, I love this foundation. Oh, and I'm in the color Amber. Wait a minute. Amber Honey. I'm in the color Amber Honey. I don't really want a lot of foundation on today, so I'm not gonna put a lot. So yeah, that was kind of like, I want to say like a pump maybe, if it had a pump. So I added some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Under my Fawn. In the color Fawn. Hold up. Okay. Whew. Okay, so I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And, well, I'm not going to be using it. I used it already. Under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, down my nose, above my lip, and on my chin. I put a little bit so it's not going to be that hard to blend out. It's not going to take that long. So, just blend it out. And I'm going to use this sponge I got from, like, I think, like a random store. I have the Beauty Blender and I have the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Sponge and the Real Technique one. But not saying I like this one like more than all of those, but I'm gonna use it again because I really did like how it had my makeup looking. I bought it because I didn't have a choice and I really needed a beauty blender or a beauty sponge. And at the store I went to, they didn't have the Real Technique one, so I just bought this one. So yeah, I like how it had my makeup looking last time, so I'm gonna use it again today. Honestly, if you don't want to spend money on a beauty blender, I would say get the Real Techniques one. Get the body one, the big one. Oh my gosh, so good. I think it's face and body, but I don't use it for my body. But I use it for my face. It works really good. My makeup looks so flawless, like, and I'm talking about in person. I wouldn't even lie to y'all like that. So I'm gonna take my Air Spun translucent powder in the color Honey Beige and just set that. This is what I'm doing, by the way. I'm gonna set my face with the L'Oreal True Match powder in the color Cream Cafe. And then, as I said it, I'm gonna just start dusting off this powder. I don't leave it on there for that long, just enough time. I like to take my smaller brush to use under my eyes, this one right here, and I'll take some of this powder, just a little bit, and just go under my eyes with it. After that, I'm gonna take that same powder, but just in a darker shade. It's in the color Cappuccino. And I'm gonna take this one because out of all my other contours, this one looked the most natural. So I'm gonna take it with a fluffy Morphe brush instead of like a precise contour brush. And I'm gonna just like go like this. I don't really want to do highlighter, but I'm just gonna do it. Well, I don't want to do cheek highlight, but I'm gonna do like inner corner and nose highlight. But I don't really want to do cheek highlighter, so instead of like really using a fan brush, I'm gonna just use my fingers to make it look natural, to not overdo it. I'm gonna use my fingers to not overdo it on the cheeks. So I'm gonna use my Kiko highlighter in the color 200. Like, this is like my favorite highlighter. I'm gonna take some and put it on my nose now with a little brush. I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Alright, so for lips, you already know I love using my mauve over lip gloss by Mented Cosmetics. I'm gonna use that, of course. It's the NYX matte lip liner in the color Sandstorm. I don't like how it looks. I don't like it. So I'm gonna just leave it on there, and I'm gonna just put on the Mented Cosmetic and mauve over. I told you I was gonna be like a band. You couldn't even see my forehead. But look. You can't even see my forehead. This one is long. I'm hyped today, y'all. I'm hyped. Another airplane. Yeah, there were so many airplanes riding past in this video. I know y'all can still hear the one right now that's riding past, but oh my gosh, there was so many airplanes in this freaking video. Like, I guess because I'm filming so early. But yeah, like, we're done with this video.